In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language from your iPhone keyboard. So this is actually pretty simple. You simply want to open any app where you can view or see your keyboard. You then want to hold the smiley and then you'll see keyboard settings. So launch or open keyboard settings, and then at the top you'll see keyboards. You want to click on it and then you'll see English United States, and then right there you'll see add new keyboard. Click on add new keyboard, and then right there you'll see all of these different keyboards and languages. So right there you can add German, and then click on it, and then right there you can select which one you want to use. So right now I should be using the German keyboard or language, which is exactly the same because the letters are the same. But if I just change this to Arabic, you'll see that the signs will probably change. Arabic, and then that one, click on done. And then let's open it and let's see if it works. Okay, so you then want to select it. You see, right there, and there you go. That's exactly how you can change the language from your iPhone keyboard. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.